little color here.
Duh! See ya! That was boring.
Gotta go! Whoa! No! Rude much?
You talking to me? Oops.
You'll pay for this, bully!
Huh? No, you did not!
I sure did!
You know who I am?
Do I look like I care? That's mine!
Huh? I can't go to detention again!
I have other plans for you. Time to teach them a lesson.
Where are we?
Welcome to the drawing challenge. I'm your host, your favorite teacher.
What?
Wow.
I'm ready!
Well, ready or not, it begins.
Ooh! Rainbow! Blech.
I got everything I need.
Wow! I have stuff too!
Honey, you can't afford any of these.
You've got fancy shades, but I have…
Apparently nothing. Well, I better get to work. One brush, all colors. Call me efficient. Somewhere over the rainbow, the dreams that you dare to dream do come true. With money.
Oh.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
Oh.
I'm crushing this challenge round, literally. Here are 2 aquamarine clouds for you. Beat this!
Oh boy! I don't know how to! Wait! I have an idea! Real artists improvise, and they sure don't need fancy tools to make art. Those are for show-offs. All they need is a little bit of creativity, and I've got plenty of that. Hey, this is no simple rainbow. It's full of magic. Just trust me. I know what I'm doing. Yep.
Time to check your first drawing. Wow, what a fancy rainbow. That is quite saturated.
You better take another look.
Whoa! Incredible! Unexpected and groundbreaking! You both win!
Yay!
How about you design a dress next?
Cool!
You may begin.
I think I'm gonna continue with the rainbow theme here. I'll call this dress a splash of color. I know. It looks messy now, but trust the process. I know what I'm doing. Flip it, press it, let it dry. Ta-da! Perfect spring dress.
My turn! I spend money like toilet paper, fast and in bulk.
What a waste.
Now watch. Even toilet paper turns couture in my hands. Soft, strong, stylish. 3 words that describe my design. It can use the pop of color, though. A bejeweled rainbow, then a bedazzling dress. I'm on a roll.
This is a tough choice. I want to see them side by side.
Don't know how that'll help.
Oh, wow! They're besties! Unlike us.
Yum! Oh, time for lunch.
Finally!
Girl, that's your lunch? A meal for one? No, darling. I ordered the whole menu.
Whoa!
All Michelin star recipes.
Should I be scared?
All done. You do the dishes.
What the? No way!
All this will be yours.
Wow, they'll look shinier than my future!
Whatever. In the meantime, I'll create yet another masterpiece. Butterflies are elegant and graceful, just like moi. My butterfly won't just fly. It'll shine in every color of the spectrum. This looks cosmic. Fly, little beauty. Now it comes to life. 2 dimensions were never enough for me. As pretty as I am.
Phew! Finally! Wait! This isn't just a sponge. It's a secret art tool! From scrubbing pans to creating something grand! I'm turning chores into art! Dirty old dish sponge no more! There! A butterfly is born! I mean, maybe not just yet, but right after I add the details. Ooh!
Oh! Both butterflies look so magical!
High five! Maybe not.
Design a phone case.
That sounds fun. Let's see. Which of my 100 cases should I design today? Decisions. Not this.
Whoa! Watch out!
Luxury problems.
Wow! Oh, it's useless. That's okay. I'm gonna use the case anyway. Simple shapes, bold colors. That's my kind of style. Done! It may not cost a fortune, but it looks priceless!
Wow! So what am I supposed to do now? Aha! Inspiration just struck. One careful squeeze at a time. Perfect placement, perfect design. This wasn't random. You bet I had a strategy. And there it is. One-of-a-kind limited edition phone case. But wait, before it sets, let's add a little stardust. Sparkles aren't extra, they're essential.
I like it!
And I like yours.
Huh? My phones are ringing. Hello?
It's us!
Check out our cases. So?
You both are truly amazing!
Thanks!
I mean, we knew that. Huh? Who sent these? Blocked?
Heh.
It's not funny.
Hey! Enough joking around. Here's your next challenge.
Easy!
Agreed. What the? It's my stalker! I don't like this. Help!
What's wrong? Okay. Pause. You don't want to look normal. Much better.
Whoa! I almost didn't recognize myself.
Now we send this photo to them. This should do the trick.
Really? It worked! Thank you!
No worries. Back to business.
Old stuff?
Yikes. Nope.
Guess I better get busy too. I would hate to waste such gorgeous flowers. From delicate to dazzling. Everything I touch just transforms. Normally they say don't judge a notebook by its cover. But in this case, you totally should.
Finally! This is what I've been looking for. Careful. One wrong move and it's ruined. I'm not ironing clothes today. I'm ironing my art. Okay, just one final step. And the perfect notebook cover. Attached. All ready.
Hey! Great, but
Let me show you the coolest thing you'll see today.
simple.
Well, if you think that's simple, I can always change it. A blank canvas.
Awesome!
Let's draw a rainbow here. Voila!
Wow! Brava! And yours? Such a fun cover. Both great. Okay, artist. How would you style rainbow hair?
Step 1 is to sketch the perfect model.
That's what I'm doing too. All the lines need to be perfect. She's gorgeous! What's that smell? Ew! That's a big one!
Oh, I didn't mean to draw that!
Phew! Look at mine.
Wow! Can I take a closer look?
It's mine now! That's not fair! Then these are mine!
But… fine.
I think I like this deal.
I forgot I don't have a model anymore. And I don't have my crayons.
maybe.
Just maybe?
Nah.
Oh, okay. I think I know what to do. Hello?
What's up? I'm busy. Make it quick.
Okay.
Sure thing. Then I'll grab those.
How is that even possible?
I'm magic, baby. That's how. First, I'll create my palette. Neon orange. Neon yellow. Neon pink. Neon green. The brighter the better. Subtlety? Never heard of it. Every streak screams power. This is hair that owns the room. Clean girl is so last season.
Ugh! My crayons can't compete.
Huh?
But I can improvise. My creativity knows no limits. All great artists take great risks. Consider this a quick makeover.
So?
So bold.
Yep, that's me.
I approve. And yours is…
Do you like it? Just wait. How about now?
Wow, so futuristic.
Thanks.
Last challenge.
What is it?
Create rainbow-themed t-shirts.
Okay.
We have all the colors here.
But this is gonna be tough.
I see what you mean. Yeah.
Hey, why don't you help each other out?
Do we have to?
I think we do.
I mean, why not?
Can't believe we actually agreed on something. Little hearts, big style. That's our collab. Wow, I love it. Wait.
Ooh, sounds fun. I'm in.
This is a declaration of our friendship. Time for a big hug.
Here it comes.
Besties.
Besties. We handled this challenge so well.
I'll be the judge of that. Yep, couldn't agree more. I'm so proud of you.
Teamwork makes the art work.
Good one.